What if I told you that one skill you learn in 2026 could completely change the way you earn money over the next few years? Some of these skills are already helping people land better jobs, build freelance careers, and even start online businesses. And the surprising part, you don't need a college degree to begin learning many of them. But here's the catch. One of the most valuable skills on this list is so underrated that most people completely ignore it, and that's exactly why it can become such a big opportunity. So stay until the end, because skill number 1 might be the smartest investment you make this year. Let's get started. Has-Hone 0 Video Editing. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. But here's something most people don't realize. Creating content is easy. Creating content that people actually watch until the end is a completely different skill. That's where video editors come in. Businesses, creators, and brands are constantly looking for editors who can make videos more engaging. The best part? You can start with beginner-friendly tools and gradually move to professional software as your skills improve. If you're creative and enjoy storytelling, video editing is one of the most practical digital skills you can learn. And trust me, we're only getting started, because the next skill is growing even faster. #9 Graphic Design. Think about every logo, every YouTube thumbnail, every social media post, every advertisement. Someone designed it. Graphic design is everywhere. Companies need eye-catching visuals to stand out online, and creators need thumbnails that people actually click on. Even basic design skills can be useful for freelancing, business, or creating your own content. And here's a quick question. How many times have you clicked on a video simply because the thumbnail looked amazing? Exactly. Design influences attention more than most people think. But wait. The next skill combines creativity with one of the biggest technology trends of this decade. Don't miss it. Hashite, AI prompt engineering. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing everyone. People who know how to use AI effectively are becoming more valuable. Prompt engineering is simply learning how to communicate with AI to get better results. Whether you're writing content, creating images, researching ideas, or automating repetitive tasks, better prompts usually lead to better outcomes. As AI tools continue to evolve, understanding how to work with them can become a valuable advantage. And remember, learning AI isn't about competing with machines. It's about learning how to work alongside them. Now here's where things get really interesting. Because the next skill can save businesses hundreds of hours. And that's exactly why it's attracting so much attention. #7 AI Automation. Imagine a business owner spending hours every week answering emails, organizing data, updating spreadsheets, and handling repetitive tasks. Now imagine software doing much of that work automatically. That's the idea behind AI automation. Businesses are increasingly exploring ways to automate routine workflows so people can focus on higher value work. If you understand automation tools and how different apps connect together, you can solve real business problems. And businesses are always interested in solutions that improve efficiency. Now, we've only covered 4 skills so far. The remaining 6 become even more valuable, especially the top 3. So don't go anywhere.
So far, we've covered 4 powerful skills that are already helping people build careers in today's digital world. But now we're entering the top 6. These are the skills that many companies are actively looking for, and they can also be useful if you want to freelance or build your own business. So don't skip ahead, because skill number 3 is one of the fastest growing digital skills right now. Let's jump in. #6 Digital Marketing. Imagine creating the world's best product, but nobody knows it exists. That's exactly why digital marketing matters. Businesses need people who know how to attract customers through search engines, social media, email, and online advertising. Digital marketing includes skills like SEO, content marketing, paid ads, email campaigns, analytics, and social media strategy. The more you understand how people discover products online, the more valuable this skill becomes. And here's something interesting. Almost every business today wants more customers, which means digital marketing continues to be relevant across many industries. But don't leave yet, because the next skill is one of the highest paying technical skills on this list. #5. Cybersecurity. Every day, businesses face cyber threats. From phishing emails to ransomware attacks, protecting digital systems has become more important than ever. That's why cybersecurity professionals are in demand across many industries. This field includes protecting networks, identifying vulnerabilities, responding to security incidents, and helping organizations reduce risk. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Many people begin by learning networking, operating systems, and basic security concepts before moving into advanced certifications. If you enjoy solving problems and thinking like a detective, cybersecurity could be a great long-term skill to explore. Now, here's a question. What if you could build the websites, apps, and software that millions of people use every day? That's exactly what the next skill is about. #4. Software development. Every app on your phone, every website you visit, every online service you use, someone had to build it. Software development is one of the most versatile digital skills because technology powers almost every industry. Whether it's web development, mobile apps, cloud services, or AI-powered tools, developers help turn ideas into real products. Languages like Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript are commonly used in many projects, but the best language depends on what you're building. The key isn't learning every programming language. It's learning how to solve problems. And once you understand that mindset, learning new technologies becomes much easier. But don't click away, because the next skill is exploding thanks to AI and the massive amount of data businesses collect every day. And it's our number 3 skill. #3. Data analytics. Here's something most people never think about. Every time someone shops online, watches a video, clicks an advertisement, or visits a website, data is created. But raw data doesn't help businesses. People who know how to analyze that data do. Data analysts help companies understand customer behavior, improve products, reduce costs, and make better decisions. They often use tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, or Python to organize and interpret information. As more businesses rely on data to guide decisions, analytical thinking continues to be a valuable skill. And now, we've reached the final 2. These are the skills that are changing the way people work across many industries. One of them is already shaping the future of business. So make sure you stay until the end. If you've watched this far, you're already ahead of most people. Because most viewers click on a video, watch for a minute or two, and leave. But the people who stay until the end are usually the ones who actually take action. Now let's reveal the final 2 skills. And trust me, these are changing the future of work. #2. AI automation and workflow building. Imagine this. A business owner spends 4 hours every day answering emails, updating spreadsheets, organizing customer information, and moving data between different apps. Now imagine most of those repetitive tasks happening automatically. That's the power of AI automation and workflow building. Today, many businesses are looking for ways to streamline repetitive work using AI-powered tools and automation platforms. Instead of replacing people, automation often helps teams focus on higher-value work like creativity, customer relationships, and problem solving. Learning how to connect different tools, organize workflows, and improve efficiency can become a valuable skill in many industries. And here's the exciting part. As AI continues to evolve, people who know how to use it effectively may have more opportunities than people who ignore it. But we're not done yet, because the number 1 skill isn't just a technical skill. It's a skill that can increase the value of almost every other skill on this list. #8. Communication and sales. Surprised? Most people expect coding or AI to be number 1. But here's the truth. You can be an amazing designer, a brilliant programmer, or a talented video editor. If you can't clearly explain your ideas, communicate with clients, or present your value, you're likely to miss opportunities. Communication is the skill that connects everything. It's how you build trust. It's how you negotiate. It's how you lead a team. It's how you grow a business. And it's how you turn knowledge into real opportunities. Whether you're applying for a job, pitching a client, starting a business, or creating content online, strong communication can make a huge difference. That's why it's our #1 skill. Final thoughts. Now here's something important. You don't need to master all 10 skills. In fact, trying to learn everything at once is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Instead, choose one skill that genuinely interests you. Spend time practicing it consistently. Build real projects. Keep learning. Then, once you're confident, add another complementary skill. Small, consistent progress often leads to bigger results than trying to do everything at once. The future belongs to people who keep learning. And the best time to start is today. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about AI, technology, online careers, and future-ready skills. And now I want to hear from you. Which skill are you planning to learn first? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next